too undaunted by the rain. Oh my God, this is hilarious. It's pouring. I mean, we waited and waited, and eventually we had to just come out. And of course, we had about half an hour of non-rain, and then it started pouring again. Bella. Julie, look at your girl. She's like, oh, obviously I'm feeding her too much lively stuff. All right, kiddos, come on. No, thank God for the tree cover. That's all I can say. Oh, Des! Woo! Oats. Oh, shit. Hey, come on, guys. Come. Come. No, that way. Woo. Bloody hell. Oh. Blair Bear. Blair Bear. Come on, guys. This is terrible. Oh, talk about climate warming, climate change. It's a disaster. All right, good guys. But at least my guys here are, you know, they're like up to the task. All right, let's go. Let's continue with our shower. This is the shower hike. All I can say is thank God for the trees. Oops, they're falling. Look at this. Beautiful. Very England. Actually, no, very Ireland. Because that's where it rains all the time. And that's why it's the Emerald Isle. But this is not supposed to be an Emerald Isle. Hello. Hi, grazers. Yeah, the grass is certainly delightful. Go, Bella, go. What about Tor? Tor, why don't you go chase her? He wanted to before. Go, guys. No, Champ. Champ's in love with Pepper. Oh dear. He's trying to have sex with her.